In today's video, I'll be discussing about criminal conspiracy. In India, conspiracy was initially only considered as a civil wrong, but later on it was brought under the ambit of Indian Penal Code. Conspiracy was not an offence under IPC 1860 until the Criminal Law Amendment Act of 1930 was passed, which added the sections 120A and 120B to the IPC. Section 120A of the IPC states the definition of criminal conspiracy. When two or more persons agree to do or cause to be done an illegal act, an act which is not illegal by illegal means, such an agreement is designated as criminal conspiracy, provided that no agreement except an agreement to commit an offence shall amount to a criminal conspiracy, unless some act besides the agreement is done by one or more parties to such agreement is pursuance thereof. Section 120B of the said code states that punishment of the criminal conspiracy. Whosoever is the party to a criminal conspiracy to commit an offence punishable with death, imprisonment for life, or rigorous imprisonment for a term of 2 years or upwards shall, where no express provision is made in this code for this punishment, such a conspiracy be punished in the same manner as if he had abetted such offence. Whosoever is the party to a criminal conspiracy other than a criminal conspiracy to commit an offence punishable as aforesaid shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term not exceeding 6 months, or with a fine, or with both. So while section 120A of the IPC provides with the definition of criminal conspiracy, section 120B of the code provides with the punishment for the same. The essentials of the criminal conspiracy: first, an object to be accomplished; second, a plan or scheme embodying means to accomplish that object; third, an agreement or understanding between two or more of the accused persons whereby they become definitely committed to cooperate for the accomplishment of the object by the means embodied in the agreement or by an effectual means, and in the jurisdiction where the statute required an overact. The Law Commission of India has given the following definition for the criminal conspiracy: when two or more persons agree to commit an offence punishable with death, imprisonment of life, or imprisonment of either description for a term of 2 years or upwards, or to cause such an offence to be committed, the agreement is designated as criminal conspiracy. Thank you so much.